Hello, this video will be an audio test for the Boya BY-PM700 microphone. This is a USB microphone. It also has headphone input so you can hear yourself without delay. It's a good microphone for a lot of situations because it offers you 4 different recording patterns. Stereo. Pick up sound from left and right. It's ideal from capturing a realistic general sound. Omnidirectional, pick up sound equally from all directions. Cardioid can be used as a directional microphone to capture full reach natural audio for podcast, speech, instrument, etc. Bidirectional, pick up sounds from front and rear while sounds to the sides are not picked up. Can be used for interviews between two people. Overall, for my first impressions, I like this microphone and I love the sound that is able to produce. By the way, as an extra feature, I feel like this microphone is so good when it comes to ASMR. I also think that the versatility of this microphone will be a good tool for recording sound effects and foley. The entire audio of this video was recorded on the Boya BY-PM700 microphone. I hope you found this audio test useful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.